Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your Lenovo laptop for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to lenovo.com. Then from here, we want to go ahead and where it says sign in, create an account, we can hover over that and then click onto product registration. So this is where we can register your product and or update your warranty date. So just click onto that. You might be asked to sign in or sign up to Lenovo to do this. So yeah, I need to go ahead and sign into my account or sign up. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account, but you can sign in, sign up with your live ID, Facebook, or your email as well. Alright, so I've just signed in here and then we're in the registration portal. So what would you like to register today? So services or devices? So because it is a device, click on device. Are you registering for yourself or on behalf of someone else? So choose which one. Now, are you also single device or multiple devices? So I'm just going to do a single device and then click get started. Now from here we can manually enter a serial number or click to detect your current device. So click on enter your serial number. We can also detect here and then click submit. Then after that, it's going to give you the contact information, so put in all your contact information and then click submit. Then once you've done that, you're going to successfully register your Lenovo laptop for warranty.